What if your photo could instantly turn into an illustration? No drawing skill, no third-party app, just your S Pen. Samsung's Drawing Assist can restyle images using an AI illustration effect, but the result depends a lot on the photo you choose. To do so, remove your S Pen to open up the command menu. Tap Drawing Assist. Tap Restyle Image icon. Select a photo from your gallery. Choose Illustration as the effect. And then tap Generate. When the result appears, tap Download to save it to the gallery. The illustration effect works best with object and scene. If your photo includes people or animals, they may be removed in the final result. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.